Hi everyone. Today I am going to present our work Smartwatch for Wall Writing, real-time transcriptions of wall writing from inertial sensing. It's a joint work with Satyam Agasthy, Samner, Pradipta De, Sandeep Chakrabarti and Bhivash Mitra. Uh, Before going to the details of the presentations, uh, I will like to highlight three major phrases, that is smartwatch for wall writing, real-time transcriptions, and inertial sensing. I will majorly focus on discussing this terminology throughout the presentations. Educational systems have witnessed rapid transformations from the traditional physical classroom to the online teaching mode due to the COVID 19 pandemic. For running the online teaching, our first requirement is online teaching infrastructure. So, in reality, getting the infrastructure is a problem. Even if we get the infrastructure, majority of the primary grade teachers have lack of digital skill to operate such devices. This this motivates us to work on this problem for providing an societal service using commercially off the shelf devices. Although wall based writing using chords is not popular, we find a few relevant works on handwriting and gestures. Firstly, Gyrofreeze is dedicated for tabletop writing using smartphone. It estimates the trajectories based on the phone touching fixed writing surfaces. In another work, On Track, it is dedicated for on-air writing using smartwatch. It computes only continuous trajectories. Keeping the limitations of the existing solutions, our goal is to design a system where the instructor writes on the wall wearing the smartwatch and the locomotive data from the smartwatch is used to generate the text. So our aim is to develop the real-time solutions which can project any physical board work to the virtual board in real time. It uses a complete unsupervised approach without any pre-lining, that is zero bootstrapping. Finally, it is one shot system that doesn't require any prior writing practice using the devices. For designing the wall writing system using COTS devices, just like a smartwatch, as we mentioned, we experience two major challenges. First, as a smartwatch is placed on the wrist, the locus of the pen and that of the smartwatch are not aligned. Hence, the gesture trajectory computed based on the smartwatch inertial sensors differ from the pen locus. Second, any boardwork scribble is a combination of multiple small from strokes of basic shapes called microgesture. A script can have single or multiple microgestures. Correctly computing the pen lift and the pen down is a challenge. To incorporate the issues in virtual wall writing, we designed WordScript, which captures the raw locomotive signals from the smartwatch, transfer that to the system for estimating the locus of the pen, and finally the system generates the transcriptions. For estimating the pain locus, we first apply a noise removal steps to ensure that only the sensor data corresponding to the relevant boardwork is extracted. So once it is done, then we calibrate the gyroscope reading with respect to the art's frame of reference from the filtered accelerometer data. For eliminating the fixation and extension of the wrist, we compute the change of orientation angle with respect to frame of reference, and then finally projects the gyroscope's readings on the frame of the reference to get the pain locus. Once we trace the locus of the pain, our next task is to discriminate the microgesture reflecting the actual writing. We first extract the required features to characterize the pen lift events. The feature includes the deviations from the maxima and the minima points of the individual cross axis as well as the individual axis data. Then we isolate those events from the continuous microgestures to generate the final transcripts. For collecting the ground truth scribe, we set up the system in this manner. We have collected English, Bengali, alphanumerics words for the evolution. We evaluate the performance of the system from two different aspects. Firstly, the metric based evaluations to quantify the disparity between the ground truth scribes and the generated transcripts. Then, secondly, the visual similarity between the ground truth scribes and the generated transcripts depicting the decipherability. So we have shown three different types of alphanumerics to demonstrate the system performance. In case of single microgesture scribes like C, it is very close to the ground truth for both the cases, the our case and as well as the baseline method gyropane. Whereas for the closed curve like structure is 0, and the multiple microgesture types as Y, we found it is visually closer for watch scribes, but it's not so close for the gyroplane. So we have tested our system for the words, and we found that the readability of the words is more than that of the character decipherability. Finally, we compared our end-to-end systems using the baseline method using two mechanisms as we mentioned earlier. And we found that in both the cases, it's more or less 10% better than the baseline approach. So in summary, we have developed the WatchScribe, a smartwatch-based system for mimicking the whiteboard capture. The design is based on an unsupervised approach to generate the unknown scribble. We developed a novel quantitative methodology to compare such system efficacy. It is an low-cost alternative with acceptable performance utilizing commercially successful device. Thank you.